Little Singer, and today I'm going to be showing you videos. Let's watch some videos. Let's watch famous logos drawn by hand.
Fluffy slime. So the first thing you're going to need to do is to mix together some borax and water. So in a jug, add 1 cup of warm water, and then to this add 1 teaspoon of borax, and just mix this together until all the borax is dissolved. And then just set the borax mixture aside because we're going to be using it later on. So then just grab a bowl, and this is what we're going to be mixing our slime in, and then you're going to need some PVA school glue. So just take half a cup of the glue, and I use Elmer's glue, and then just add this to the bowl. And now for the ingredient that is going to make our slime really fluffy and airy and light. Just take half a cup of shaving cream and add this to the glue. And I love this part because it looks like whipped cream. Now you will also need half a cup of foaming hand wash or hand soap, and this is just going to make it even fluffier. And I picked a hand soap that smelled amazing, so it also made my slime smell really good. So then once you've added these ingredients, just mix them together, and it seriously looks like whipped cream. It's so magical and fluffy. Now you'll need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and this is just going to thicken our slime, and also it's going to make it hold its shape better when we start to play with it. So now just add in a couple of pumps of body lotion or hand lotion, and this is just going to make our slime nice and stretchy. So now it's time to make our slime a really fun colour. Now you can leave it plain white if you like, but you know me and I love to make everything bright. So here I'm just adding some purpley, violet, lilac food colouring to the slime and just mixing it in so you can colour your slime whatever colour you like. Then just go ahead and grab your borax mixture and add a little bit at a time. As you can see, I'm only adding about a teaspoon at a time and then mixing it in. And then once your slime mixture starts to thicken and it gets to this consistency here, you can just go ahead and take it out of the bowl and start working it with your hands. And the more you work it, the more it'll come together and the less sticky it will become. But if you haven't added enough mixture and it's still far too sticky, just go ahead and add a little bit more borax borax and then continue working it with your hands. So now you should have this super amazing and super fluffy slime, and the consistency of the slime is so amazing. I'm so obsessed with it, and it was so much fun to play with. And as you can see here, when I pulled the slime apart, you can see all these little air bubbles, and that's what makes the slime so nice and fluffy. Now you guys know how much I love slime, so I definitely have to go ahead and make a few more colors, and so I just went ahead and mixed up another slime mixture and just added all the same ingredients. And I love how easy and quick this slime was to make. And can you guys guess what color this slime is going to be? Dun dun dun, this slime is going to be pink. It's going to be pink. Of course it's going to be pink. I love this slime so much. It turned out such a pretty cotton candy pink, and it seriously looked so beautiful. So I just added the borax mixture again, and because at the beginning we make so much borax mixture, you can just keep using it because you only need the tiniest amount when you make your slime. Of these pink slime. As you can see here, it just looks really smooth and really light and fluffy, and I just love this one so much, and I love squishing it as well. That also is really fun. And now to store your slime, just store it in an airtight container, and then it should last for a few days, so you can still keep playing with it a few days later, which is really awesome. So here I mixed all the colors of my slime together and made this really pretty unicorn rainbow slime mixture, which was so beautiful to look at, and I'm so obsessed with this one. It's just